Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting journey to learn about flowering plants. Today, we will explore these amazing plants, from their roots all the way up to their beautiful blooms. Flowering plants, also called angiosperms, are special because they make flowers. These flowers help them create new plants. Did you know that flowering plants are the most common type of plant on Earth? We see them everywhere, like orchids and roses right here in Thailand. Just like us, plants have different parts that help them live. The four main parts are the roots, which hold the plant in the soil, the stems, which support the plant, the leaves, which make food, and the flowers, which make seeds. Let's talk about roots first. Roots have some amazing jobs. They anchor the plant so it doesn't fall over, they absorb water from the ground, and they take in important minerals that help the plant grow strong. Site 436 to 38. Roots can even be different colors like white, green, or beige. There are different types of roots. One type is the taproot. This is like one main, thick root that grows straight down into the soil. Smaller roots, called lateral roots, branch out from it. We can find taproots in plants like tomatoes and chilies. These lateral roots are like the branches of the main taproot. They spread out sideways to help the plant find even more water and food in the soil. Another type of root is the fibrous root. Instead of one main root, these are many thin roots that are all about the same size. They spread out from the base of the stem, like a big net. Rice and sugarcane, which are important in Thailand, have fibrous roots. Adventitious roots are a bit special because they can grow from unusual places, not just from other roots. They can grow from stems or even leaves. You can see these in plants like morning glory and water mimosa. Some roots have extra special jobs. Aerial roots grow above the ground, in the air. They can take in water from the air around them. Orchids have these kinds of roots. Clasping roots help plants climb. These roots stick to surfaces like walls or other plants, giving the plant support. Devil's ivy has clasping roots that help it climb. We see many amazing flowering plants right here in Thailand. Rice is a very important food plant with fibrous roots. Orchids have beautiful flowers and aerial roots. Morning glory is a tasty vegetable with adventitious roots. And banyan trees have big aerial roots that hang down. Just like us, plants grow, and they need food and water to live. They have different parts that all work together to help them survive and even adapt to where they live. Let's learn some important English words about plants. Flowering plants, roots, stems, leaves, minerals, and transport. Let's learn some important English words about plants. Flowering plants, roots, stems, leaves, minerals, and transport in Thai. Let's remember what we learned. Plants have four main parts, and there are different types of roots with different jobs. Plants need water and minerals to grow, and they are very important in Thailand, making our world beautiful. Let's do some fun activities to learn the plants. See you next video. Bye!